See and hear your car or truck with Kinney's amazing custom exhaust. Watch the entire video to learn more. Here's how you do it. Log on to our awesome website. Click on the videos link at the top of the page. Then scroll down to your vehicle. There you will find the nation's largest assortment of custom performance exhaust for your vehicle. All this only from Kinney's Performance Exhaust Center.
Don't forget, Kinney's offers K&N and AFE Performance Cold Air Kits. Add even more performance and efficiency to your vehicle with guaranteed horsepower. Kinney's has your air kit in stock right now.
Kinney's Street Demon and Tunnel Ram Performance Mufflers, found only at Kinney's Performance Exhaust Center.
The quality goes in before the name goes on. Kinney's Performance Exhaust Center.
Kinney's is recognized nationally for expert craftsmanship and superior fabrication. Visit our outstanding website to see and hear what you've been missing.
Quality beyond the everyday muffler shop. The nation's premier performance exhaust center, Kinney's. Not a Texas resident? Visit our amazing website to find out how you can have the ultimate exhaust for your vehicle. Be sure to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and subscribe right here, right now to this YouTube channel. All of Kinney's exclusive in-house products are available only at Kinney's. Since 1978, Kinney's Muffler Shop has been creating some of the country's most unique and distinctive custom exhaust systems. See it and hear it before you buy it, only at Kinney's Performance Exhaust Center. Follow the leader.